What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here, and Fitbit released the Inspire about 10 to 15 days ago, and it looks like an amazing product, so I decided to make a video on it, and these are my experience with it, and I wanted to share them with you.
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
As I said in the clip before, guys, take 1 second out of this video, subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference, and every time that count goes up, it makes a big difference. So before we start into this video, I want to give you some background info of what this product is really replacing. So remember the Fitbit Flex, like back in 2013 when it came out, it was sort of a low-cost fitness tracker that you could use to track your steps, heart rate, etc., etc. So Fitbit added it, and it started at around $70. The next they came out with the Fitbit Flex 2, which started at $100, but that came out in 2016, I think October. So now the Fitbit Flex was sort of getting old, since back then, I mean, it was fine with having dots on your fitness tracker, but now, since most of them are adopting screens, and 2019 is 6 years after the first Fitbit Flex came out, Fitbit decided to add the Inspire and the Inspire HR. The Inspire HR was replacing the Fitbit Flex 2 at $99, and the Inspire starts only at $69. We'll talk about the Inspire today, and maybe in a later video we'll talk about the Inspire HR. So the Inspire has some different colors as well. It has one black color, which is normal, and then it has a sangria color, as they call it. It's sort of a maroonish purple tint to it. And the band, as you can see itself, is very slim. It's sort of a, if you recall, the Fitbit Flex also has a really slim band, which looks just like this. As I said before, sort of a, follow-up to the Fitbit Flex. Now, what can the Inspire really do? So here are a few things I can do. It tracks activity and sleep tracking. It is swim-proof, so you can go swimming with it. And it does have 5 days worth of battery life. And as I saw, the battery life is very good on this. But it sort of is because the screen itself is not that big, first of all, and it doesn't have a heart rate sensor, so that doesn't take up any battery. So the only thing you're really tracking here is like steps and sleep. And calories burnt isn't as accurate since it doesn't have a heart rate tracker, so don't go by that if you have it. It's not too accurate. Now, it does also have some smartwatch type of features. One thing is it has on-screen notifications, and you can see if somebody texted you, and you will be able to see a little bit of text if it's just small. You can't see as much as you can see on something like the Fitbit Ionic over here, but you can see a good amount of details. Another thing is you get smartphone app alerts. So let's say you have a Facebook alert, you will get that from any social media, you will get it on your Fitbit Inspire. It also connects to both iOS, Android, and even Windows 10 phones, but I don't think not many people use that today. Now, why the Inspire? Why should I get the Inspire? Well, first of all, it starts at only $70, guys. That's the same as the Fitbit Ace 2. And this is a much better tracker than that and looks much more stylish in my opinion. And the other thing is it has a touch screen, and it reminds me more of a Fitbit Charge than a Fitbit Alto does, and considering the Fitbit Charge is about $150, this is only $70. And even if it doesn't have that many health complications, or you can't really access that many exercise workouts, it does provide some sense of style, and it looks really nice on your wrist. But it does get the basics down. It tracks your steps, it tracks sleep tracking, and it tracks calories burnt. It also gives you in-app notifications, and combining all of this just makes it a better product. Now, am I telling you to buy this? No, the Fitbit Inspire HR is a little better for what it offers, and just for a $30 bump, you do get some added benefits. But that's coming in a video. That's in a video upcoming soon. Stay tuned for that, and if you subscribe, you'll be first to know. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This is 24/7 Tech signing out. And as I said before, subscribe down below. Every subscriber makes a difference. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.